Okay, now I delete first this all, right, and we will begin again to see the impact of this GraphQL batching attack, right, and we begin from open up our Firefox, and access to login dot spacelift dot dev. Sorry, maybe I wrong. Yeah, login dot app I think, yeah, login dot app dot spacelift dev. But before this, remember to set up Foxy Proxy, redirect your traffic to Burpsuite. If you don't know how to do this, just googling or use ChatGPT to ask how to do this. Okay, thank you. On not found, yeah, create one. And here you are going to spacelift.io, free trial, and click GitHub. For example, here I am using GitHub. Right, actually I need to fill in a username and password on my GitHub, but because I already created here, and they just going directly to here and click on the selected repositories. Yeah, I choose hello world, for example, install. Yeah, see this change. Okay, install. Then going into pp.spacelift.io, new stack, login. Okay, and authorize spacelift.io. Okay, we arrive here, and here we just need to find all GraphQL endpoint, right, from spacelift.dev. So any GraphQL endpoint here, I already test some 2 or 3 endpoint, all has this problem, right? And the last time I test, I think maybe quite a lot already, and I get this message: degraded public worker availability. So it looks like your public worker is degraded, right? Have a little impact to your public workers, right? Because they have the workers pool is looks like not so much anymore, because every every one GraphQL or query or mutation, it needs to sign a worker, I think, right? Needs to sign a worker. Then if you attack using this kind of batching attack, then you could exhausted your public worker, something like that. So the public worker resources will be degraded. So this is I just want to show your these dangerous vulnerabilities from your side, without bringing down all your services. Okay, this is you see I just use greenbignos.app.spacelift.dev. This is post, right, with GraphQL endpoint, you can see here, and right click, send to repeater. Then in repeater, you can click a GraphQL tab, right? If you have a GraphQL, must be have a GraphQL tab. Yeah, you just click it, right? And then yeah, you see even my Burpsuite quite slow, right? because you don't have a limit here, right? You don't have limit. You you read and accept all of this. You see 120,000 lines, right? You read and accept this payload, and I can add more and more. Even I know there are no error message from your side, from your server. I never get error message from your server, even when I try till around 500,000, something like that. No error message at all. And yeah, actually sometimes there are error message like HTTP 500 error message, something like that. And if continue again, could be get error message that server is temporarily down or something like that. But yeah, I will stop till get error message. But now the problem is, even worse, you don't have error message, you accept as big as possible, right? And you replay, you read and you replay all here like this. Like if I add more, you must be read again and replay again. But the problem is, you see, degraded vocal. So if this is done many times and using lots of IP addresses, it would become DDoS, right? All your worker is exhausted, and no one can access your service anymore. Yeah, this is very important, and we check, right, how dangerous this one. Okay, we click send. You see, even your port, you see your port, your limited HTTP port has maximum connection limit, right? And now if you see, if they are waiting so long, right, to accepting all this overloading GraphQL object, right? They are waiting so long, then it means hacker can do DDoS, right? They can send a lot like this, right, from different IP addresses and all waiting. Then before your worker run out, I think all your connection limit already exhausted, and yeah, no one can access your server anymore. That's the worst thing. You see how many how minutes they are returning, right? Yeah, maybe around 1 minute or even more, right? You can see, right? They read all till 120 more, and waiting takes so long, right? Waiting takes so long, and I can add more, but I'm sure this is enough, because already has this, even no error message here. I know there are no HTTP error message here, but they already show up degraded public worker availability. This is, I'm very sure, right? And with a long waiting before respond, right? And all the payload is read, right, without limit. This already firm, right? This already firm that your site has vulnerabilities to this kind of attack. Yeah, GraphQL batching attack. Yeah, but this is not exactly GraphQL batching attack, but this is like the variants of GraphQL batching attack. Okay, thank you very much for your trust to me.